You won't hear the future coming, but you'll feel it. We felt it, then shaped it. Born of Indo-German engineering, made in India, for the world. A journey with one mission, to turn wind into power, piece by piece. Precision met purpose, bringing to life the 4.2 M160, a 4.2 megawatt powerhouse with a 160-meter rotor, engineered for low to medium winds. 78.5-meter blades, a 140-meter tower, and tip height of 220 meters. Designed for optimum LCOE, delivering long-term value. Built to perform in extreme climates with reliable power output. Powering homes, dreams, and tomorrow's factories. Because this is not just a turbine. This is a symbol of what we, the wind shapers, can do. Senvion, we are wind shapers.